Guys, and welcome to the channel. There we have an Infinix Note 12 Pro, and today I will show you how I can make your phone louder. So we have to start from the opening the settings, then go to the sound and vibration. Now go to the DTS sound, turn on equalizer and just choose one of them. Choose the most loud equalizer. But if that way is not enough for you, we can always try to download volume booster app like this one. So we have to turn it on, close that window, click OK, and here you can see now by this slider we can increase and decrease the volume speaker booster. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.